Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and as you can tell by the caption, I'm doing a ride along, and I'm doing a ride along with this one right here. This is Uomo by Salvatore Ferragamo, and this is a real good fragrance for like the winter time and fall time because it has this tiramisu kind of vibe to it. Oh, and it's so sweet and dense too. I got a little bit of running around to do today, so I'm gonna see how long it lasts. I never really did and tested how long this fragrance lasts. I know it lasts long, and I know it projects well, but actually going to use it today and see. Now, there's two sprays there, and let's get my wrist. I get the back of my wrist so I can remember to have a spot to test it. I mean, to check the smell of it. Back and like I'm gonna now get my shirt too. Okay, so it is 11:29. So here we go. Let's check it out. Ride along with me. Oh, check out this bottle too. This bottle is pretty cool. It has a little writing and stuff on the side, little art deco, and then the top the top you just push down, it doesn't go down. So yeah. Anyway, check it out with me. All right, let's go. Yo, what's going on, folks? I am just doing a little check-in, and right now it is 12:45. Hopefully that came through, and the fragrance is obviously still pushing real hard, even though I put this shirt on over top of it. This fragrance really projects, and it pushes a lot. I might get the fragrance may get muted because of the shirt being on top of it. Hopefully it won't rub it off. I may have to refresh, but I am actually heading to the gym, get a workout in, and then going to get a couple of other things done, and regular ride along day, doing a few things and seeing how the fragrance lasts all day. The weather actually got a lot cooler than I was expecting it. A lot warmer than I expected it to get. It was 62, I think, this morning, and now it's moved up to, what's that? It's 78 degrees. Yeah. Well, 73 on my watch, but my car is reading 78 degrees. So it's a lot warmer than I was expecting, because this fragrance is not really made for like warm weather. Hopefully it won't get any warmer than what it is now, because if it does, this can be a little bit cloying, and I might have to rinse it off and put something else on. But anyway, I will keep you guys posted, and let's go. Hey, what's going on, folks? All right. So I am wrapping up in the gym now, and fragrance is still going. It's closer to being a skin scent, maybe a little bit more than the skin scent, and obviously because I sweated it out a lot. But it is now 2:55, and I got some more running around to do, so I may put a couple more sprays on, but I'm smelling it like I can smell it coming off my shirt. Just the shirt I had on earlier. I didn't actually spray it on this shirt, but I was thinking maybe, actually, yeah, I can still smell it on the arms. So I may do a couple more sprays, maybe. But yeah, stay tuned. All right. Well. It's super loud right now, but I'm at the Field of Dreams, and right now, the fragrance is still pushing, and it is. It's 7:50 right now, so it's been lasting all day. It's gone off of my skin, but it is still really good as far as being on my shirt and on my sleeves, just from rubbing, just from having this shirt on earlier. But yeah, all right, I'll try again later when it's not so loud. All right, folks. So I found a spot that's not as loud, and now, right now, it is 9:22, and the fragrance is still on me. Actually, I think I'm getting whiffs of it as I'm walking around because I keep thinking, "Oh, somebody smells good," but I'm walking past different people. So, but anyway, so right now, like I said, it's 9:22, so this has been all day. I'm still at the field, so I will give you another update and finalize this probably in a couple of hours. All right. Hey, all right. What's going on, folks? It is late, really, really late, and I'm just probably gonna wrap this up tomorrow, but it is 2:34 in the morning, and this fragrance, I'm still smelling it. It's lighter now on my shirt, but it's still there. It's almost like I'm probably gonna have to wash this out. So it's late, so I'll finish this up and wrap this up tomorrow. All right. Man, I'm so tired. I don't know if I even showed you guys the time, but there it is. 2:35 a.m. The next morning. All right, so I'll wrap this up tomorrow. All right. Hey, all right, folks. So I am finally back. This is the next day after wearing this fragrance. This fragrance is such a beast. And when I say a beast, I mean as far as longevity. It worked really well. I think it lasted 12 hours easily. I think the smell is still on my shirt. But it's a nice sweet fragrance. It comes off a little bit spicy at the top, like maybe almost feels like it has cinnamon in it or nutmeg, but it has a very sweet quality to it. And a lot of people say it smells like a tiramisu, the breakfast. I mean, not the breakfast, the dessert fragrance. But yeah, really, really good fragrance to wear for the fall and for the winter time. All right, so just to wrap up, go through the notes of it. The top notes are cardamom, black pepper, and bergamot. And then in the mid notes, there are sweet notes, ambroxan, orange blossom. And then in the base, we have tonka bean, sandalwood, and cashmere wood. The cashmere wood, right? And like I said, it smells like a sweet pastry. It smells like something you could eat, but it's really a good fragrance. I think it worked well for me. Like I said, it was over 12 hours, and it's probably still on my shirt. I'll probably have to wash it off. But yeah, that's it. All right, it's been your boy Will with the Will Report. Just doing this long ride along with Uomo by Ferragamo. Is that gonna come in? Yeah, a Ferragamo. All right, until next time, deuces.